Yes, guys, I'm the best decision of your lives. Kahit puro bot lang yung kasama mo ngayon, oh. Hi, nako. Hi, are you lost, baby girl? Ba't kasi ganyan yung mga username nyo? Talk to my lawyer. Respect. Your lawyer is my lawyer too. Really? Are you an official pilot? Papatugtog tayo, guys.
Apply on the go with custom job alerts on LinkedIn. Get the app today.
Woo! Anong airline ka? I'm curious, you know. Saudi Airline. You know, my favorite airline is Etihad Airlines and Emirates too. I'm still a student. Oh. What school? Ay, Pilipino ka pala. Magtagalog na lang tayo, nahirapan na ako mag-English. Saan mo balak mag-apply? Maganda sa Emirates. Or kaya oh, that's a good good choice of airline, guys. Emirates. Kasi ako before, nag-Philippine Airlines ako, nag-PAL ako before, tsaka nag-Cebu Pac. Iba talaga yung pinagkaiba ng PAL at tsaka ng Emirates. Are you a flight attendant? No, I'm not a flight attendant. Although I've dreamt of being one before. But, ayun, ibang course kasi yung pinili ko sa college. So, oh, your parents and your sisters. Are your sisters also aviation, ano ang tawag doon? Yung mga flight attendant na aviation tourism ba? Tourism aviation? Basta yun. Oh, FAs and pilot. A long line of pilots. Oh, let's try the Philippine Airlines announcement. Etihad Airlines. Etihad Airlines is my favorite airline kasi yun yung pinakamaganda kong nasakyan ever. Legit. Kasi I've never been into Emirates kasi. My parents flew with Emirates pero I've never fly an Emirates before. Ano nga yun? Philippine Airline announcement. Mabuhay, and welcome to Philippine Airlines. This is the pre-boarding announcement for Flight PR-75 to South Korea. Gah! We are now inviting those passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding at this time. Keme, ewan ko ba? Oo, as long as it's in Class A. Have you heard of the Emirates Airbus? Yung eroplanong double deck. Pero hindi ba nakakatakot yun na sakyan? All passengers, proceed to Gate 5 for boarding pass. No? Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes time. Thank you. The new one, may one ate. Diba, parang ang saya niyang sakyan, pero nakakatakot at the same time. Paano pag nagkaroon ng turbulence? Di ang laki nung naugang-ugang gano'n sa ere. So scary.